So we're out today on a bigger lake. We're gonna try to catch us some biggins or something at least. Just got done doing the configuration on the pinpoint GPS. That was fun. A little bit of paddling, nothing to it. We're gonna see how she goes. We're gonna try to get into it and catch us some big girls, I guess. You never know, especially on a cloudy day with a little bit of wind. So stay tuned, guys. Ooh, got one. Oh, she's pretty. Come here. Got her. Ooh. Well, it's the first one on the scope. First one of the day. I'm getting my butt kicked by the net. Okay. Come here, big girl. Yeah, getting my butt kicked by a net is always fun. Ain't bad. Probably a little 2-pounder. So ain't bad. Good start. Only in 2 foot. I don't think there's gonna be anything on it. I just don't think it will be. And if there is, I'll be surprised. Got him. I think it's just a little dink. Yeah, just a little dink. Probably barely 12. That ain't bad. What are you doing, buddy? I need your mama now. You heard me? We're just gonna keep that down. I don't feel like putting it up and out of the water. It's only 4 foot deep. I don't think anything in here. Got him. We're just gonna butt flip you, big guy. Ain't bad. It's another one. Little small dink. Felt good though. Dadgum, too busy worried about playing with it and catching fish. You're a odd color. Not bad. I knew they were there. Just ain't biting. It's weird. Wasn't a horrible day. Wasn't a great day. Caught a couple fish, not many. Nothing to brag about. Had a great time on the water other than freezing this morning. It was cold. Did not expect it to be that cold. Weatherman lied. So we're going to end up calling it a day. Kind of got used to the spot lock. Kind of didn't. It's going to take me a while to really get used to it just because it's new. I ain't really done anything with it. Same with the fancy fish finder and the active target, you know, forward facing sonar. It's all new, so I'm getting used to it. Especially I gotta quit playing video games. You know, that's video game fishing. I feel like today I probably should have stuck to just what I know, fishing wood, you know, hard rock banks. But I ended up playing on this a little more than I probably should have. It paid out. I caught a couple off of it, so ain't nothing wrong with that. So hopefully you enjoy, like, subscribe, stick around. You know, it's only gonna get warmer. So I'll catch you on the next one.